How about opening existing documents? So you've already been working inside of Excel, you've saved a document, perhaps on your local computer, the network drive, wherever. Now I want to be able to open up that document and continue working with it. Well, just like saving, this is a pretty simple command, pretty straightforward. Here, I've got Excel open. I'll go to my File tab. I'm going to go down to Open, just down the left-hand side. Here, we've got a few ways to open documents. I've got a recent list that I can get into, and I've got a scroll bar there. I can scroll for quite a ways and find recent documents that I've been working with on this computer. And I've got the option to be able to search other locations as well. So for me, I can go down into Browse. This will open up that same folder explorer that we saw with the Save As command, but now I can go find a document on my computer. Let's say I've got the customers document. I can select that and I can open it. And here's my customers. All right, this is some database file that I work with inside of my Access class as well. But it's really that simple. You want to be able to open up an existing document, just File, Open. You've got your recent list on the left. Anytime you save anything, the recent area will populate with that document. And then you've also got the ability to search and browse other locations that you may have access to as well. So you can try this out. Maybe close Excel out completely, reopen it, and go open up that document that you saved in the prior video. And it's just File, Open, go grab the document.